In recent years, social media has become one of the most important forms of online marketing. Social media is used to gain customer reviews and feedback, to promote brand awareness, to increase sales, to provide support services, and to help increase customer loyalty. It is a great tool for companies to use to communicate directly with customers and build relationships with them. Today we will know about some important social media marketing tools. We discuss about affiliate marketing tools in our last episode. Please check the I button. Before starting today's video, we would like to inform you that if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please do like, comment, subscribe and press the bell button. Dear viewers, with today's video you can know some free tools name for setting up your new business with social media, which will help you a lot. So watch the video till the end. And like, comment and subscribe our channel. Social media can be a great way to promote your business. In fact, it is a great way to stay in touch with your clients and customers. If you are a business owner, then you should think about using social media to help you get in touch with your customers. Let's know some social media marketing tools. Hootsuite. Hootsuite is the most widely used social media management tool. Hootsuite allows you to manage, post, monitor, analyze multiple social accounts across different networks such as Twitter and Facebook. You can schedule posts, pull analytics, and also implement conversion tracking. Additionally, there can be multiple users. If you have a large team, this is a great way to collaborate across your team or department. This tool is very streamlined and incredibly easy to organize. Tweetdeck. Tweetdeck is the tool for you if you're big into Twitter. This tool is great if you're managing a large account with an overwhelming amount of followers interactions. You can create multiple streams and filters based on what you care about and are most interested in. Sprout Social. Sprout Social is another popular tool for community managers. This tool has similar capabilities to Hootsuite. You can post, manage, and analyze through the dashboard, but according to reviews, Sprout Social's analytics and reporting tools are much more in-depth than Hootsuite's, and the interface is easy to use. Buffer. Buffer allows you to create posts, publish multiple posts at once on different social channels, and keep track of your mentions interactions. Buffer also allows you to stagger content throughout the day so that you can schedule posts for what works best in your social communities. SocialOomph. SocialOomph allows you to streamline your social media posting and keep track of your interactions across platforms. You can track keywords, install auto-follow on Twitter, and also find more people to follow and interact with. The one bonus to SocialOomph is that other social media management tools will charge you for additional accounts. This platform gives you unlimited accounts no matter what. So, today we know about social media marketing tools. Hope you understand all the points. If any doubts, please comment below. Let us know in the comments which topic you want to watch next. If you think this video is informative, then please press the like button. For next video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell button. Thank you.